Hello friends. October was a month filled with learning, awareness, and inclusion at WinVinaya Infosystems. Train the trainer for school teachers. Teachers learned powerful digital and AI tools to make classrooms more inclusive. We discovered that bilingual teaching, English and Indian Sign Language helps deaf students understand better and express confidently. Inclusion grows when teaching connects language, visuals, and signs. 44 professionals from a leading global organization learned how to turn complex data into meaningful insights using Microsoft Power BI. They practiced real business scenarios and learned data storytelling to support better decisions. Over 33 days, 11 engineers were trained in automation testing tools and real-world projects. From learners to confident, job-ready automation testers, skill becomes success at WinVinaya Infosystems. In just 90 minutes, anyone can build disability awareness, learn respectful communication, and become a confident ally through the self-paced DAO course on NammAcademy. Inclusion begins with mindset, awareness, and empathy. Together, we learn, include, and transform lives. Join hands with us. Info@winvinaya.com. Thank you.